Hello guys, welcome to Gabriel's Creative Fashion. Today's tutorial is going to be amazing with your hand needle and thread. I'm going to show you guys how I make this wet pockets. Note that I have not ironed it yet so that it will be balanced. I just finished the tutorial. I decided to share it with you guys. Okay, now kindly click on the subscriber button under this video and also on the notification bell so that when I post another tutorial you will get notified. Thank you. Okay, now look at this material. I just gum my gum stay. I have already put a gum stay on it. Now wash and see how I'm placing it. Why I use a gum stay is so that it will be balanced. So you can see I just add a pin to hold it down so that it will not be shifting up and down. Now you're going to take the wideness of the wet pockets, depending the wideness of your choice. I'm not going to advise you because you know the size, like 5 inches is enough, but depending on how you're going to take. Now I'm going to make just a little one. Now I'm going to take my depth. I'll be using 1 inches depending on how wideness you want it. Now just watch this video from beginning to the end. It is so amazing. I use just my hand needle to make this wet pocket without a mesh. Now you are going to make something like right angle like this. You can see. Okay, now look at my hand needle. I've already fixed thread on it. Have you seen where, or have you tried making a wet pocket with your hand? Watch this video to the end. It's so amazing and educative. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook at Gabriel's Creative Fashion. Make sure your stitching is tight and neat. Oh, the scissors. But we can see how I stitch it. Very tiny stitches. This is the second part. Make sure your stitching is very tight so that it will be firm. Why I use this hand needle is to show you another step, because I teach so that beginners will understand. Now you are going to fold this place and open the center. Remove the pins. Now you are going to cut it like this. Follow this step to achieve it. Hope you can see how I'm cutting it. You are cutting and stop at the edge of that brace you stitch, so that when turning it, now you're going to turn it up. This is for emergency purpose. You can just use your hand needle and thread to make this. This is for emergency, or you can still try it with your machine, but for emergency or want to sew something neat, just try this. But you can see you're still understanding. This place you're going to stitch it with your hand needle so that it will be firm. You're going to stitch it up. We are almost getting to the end of this tutorial. This is the I just stitched the two sides. This is the major part of this tutorial. The other part, you are either going to use hand or you use machine to complete it, make sure you iron it down very well. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscriber button. Thank you. See you.